poured oil out. Pouring oil out. Okay, guys. So, yesterday I got the car on the ground, and I threw coolant in it, and it leaked just everywhere. I mean, I dropped everything. So I'm basically going to try and refill it. I switched out the lines with a line that's like 5 times as long. It was a whole thing. It was horrible. I ended up having to put a 90 on the back of the motor on that fitting. I might include that footage. I might not. I don't know. It was very sporadic. And then I ended up taking my Y band out of the car for the oil pressure, and I ended up buying a new oil pressure switch for up here, and I'm gonna see if that works. If it doesn't, whatever. I'll just go ahead and redo the Y band a little bit better later. So it's not that big of a deal, but I figured I'd try it just cause. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get this together here. But everything is ran. Turbo is bolted. The lines are, I mean, as tight as I could get them. So, you know, we're gonna see if we have any leaks. Hopefully not. I did leave some coolant in here overnight and it did not leak. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with a little bit more coolant, and hopefully I don't just lose all of it instantly like I did yesterday, which was great. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up, and I'll be back. Check in. Quick update. We are bleeding the coolant system. This is like one of those self-bleeders that kind of gets most of the air out of the system as you fill it. You kind of want the car to be on for this, but it works pretty decently as is, like when the car is off. Nothing leaking, at least nothing major. But yeah, somebody was asking about this, and I just bought the attachment, the adapter to fit the Focus coolant reservoir, because it's not the same as like a normal car, obviously. So it's just like this red piece right here is the adapter, and then this top piece screws onto it. So priming, we got to prime the system, got to prime the oil lines, and now the coolant lines. I just feel like this should be tighter, but I can't get it physically tighter. I don't know. I guess we'll find out here. So I'm just gonna unplug my injectors, and then for the Focus, all you're gonna do is hold down the gas and the brake, or in the clutch, the whole time. So that's all you're gonna do. And that'll cut fuel, so you won't flood your system. You can also unplug your relay for your fuel pump, which is probably the smarter thing to do. But I'm not gonna do that, just because I want this thing to run already. So yeah, I'm gonna prime the system and probably leave this somewhere up here. Go do that and then check for leaks. Check for leaks. I heard something. I hear some stuff moving. No leaks. All right. All right. Nope. We should be good. Do it one more time. And then we will start it. All right. Nothing is leaking. No oil. Good. Good. Oh, my fucking back. I'm like the back of like a 90-year-old. Holy crap. No leaks. Check underneath. Jesus, man. I need a fucking lift. Nothing underneath. Okay. So, I think now we could go for the first start. As always, safety precaution. This right here. Always. If you don't have one, fucking get one. I don't care what you got going on with your car at all. Do not care. Get a fire extinguisher. Use one, especially if you're modding, tuning, anything. Save your build. So, for right now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and connect the coil packs and give this a start. I already know that I 100% have oil going into the car. There's oil right in there. Coolant should be good to get oil flowing through. I know it only took like 2 cranks. So, all right, I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere and we're gonna go for the first start on the new turbo. Pray for no leaks. All right, I think right there should be good. That's the coolant burning off, I think. That's just sitting for so long. I guess every time the Cerakote is just gonna burn. I am leaking oil. Oh, fuck. That is a heavy oil leak. What the? That's straight oil. Oh, man. I don't know where that is coming from. I guess it's time to get the car jacked up in the air and let's see what's going on. So, yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Be right back. It seems to be leaking from my pressure switch. Yeah, not around the filter itself, but the pressure switch. That's so odd. What? Well, I guess I might try to see if it can get tighter, and if it can't, I don't know. I'll figure something out. I'm gonna pull this off though, possibly, and then see what's going on. Maybe put something else in there for the time being so it won't drain all the oil out. But I'm gonna see if I can get it a little tighter. So, 1 second. All right, attempt number 2. Pouring oil out. Oh my God, it's dumping. Fucking Christ. Just poured oil out. God damn it. I'm ending the video off today. I have some sealant on the drain to cure. It needs to cure. This is up to 72 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and wait an entire day and then go ahead and try to start it. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna use sealant tape and I'm gonna tape that thing up like 5 times and see if that works. And if that doesn't work, then I'm gonna go with a new oil cooler because I'm tired of it. But hopefully in the next one the car will be driving. The first start, the turbo sounded fucking amazing. Oh my God. Perfect size, no hard starts, idled perfectly until it dumped oil everywhere. But no leaks besides that. Knock on wood. But anyways, go ahead and upload this, and then hopefully in the next one we're driving. But first start was somewhat successful because it sounded amazing. Just dumped oil with my own bad doing. But anyways, appreciate it. See you guys in the next one.